Your homework. We start all this in class, hopefully. You understand the difference between parallel. You need to understand that. One solution, say, when there's no solution, when it's parallel, no solution, and one solution, how to write those equations. It will be on your next, if it's not on your next quiz, it'll be on your test. Okay, and your next quiz will be on substitution, what we did in class. These are all class stuff. So, okay, in this, love word problems. And here's your homework. I did this earlier. Here's number 1. When you solve, you put this into where that is. So that's like right here. And you solve it. And you solve, and you should get a negative 1/3 p. That goes in back because MNOP, M goes in front. It's called ordered pair. So okay, let's find M. You find M by substitution, right? You take this problem here. M equals to 5 times P plus 8. M equals to 5 times P, which is negative 1/3, plus 8. Then you multiply that, can't cross cancel, you get negative 5/3 plus 8. Gonna have to subtract, so common denominator here is 3, so that'll be 24/3 plus negative 5/3. End up subtracting. So you get 19/3, or 6 1/3. So 6 1/3 is M. Okay? Or 19/3. That's how we find that ordered pair. Now this one here, just so I left this blank intentionally. The answer to problem number 2 is 0, 6. That's where the two graphs intersect. So here you substitute in where A is, so you take this whole entire thing here and you put that where this variable A is, because A has nothing on that side. So you get 2/3b minus 4 equals to the 3b minus the 18. Now add 4, or in this case what I did is add the 18. Oh look, let's see what I did. Hold on a second. Let me write it, get it back. I add 18. Add 18. Therefore, I got the 14 here, that there, and then I multiply all by 3, because the least common denominator is 3. You get all that, you get 6. You solve it, you get 6, okay, at the end. And then you take, oh, this is an easier, this is too hard, so don't take that one. Take that one and substitute B in there, B for number 6. And you solve for A, so it's ordered pair, so it's 0, 6. Okay? Number 3, this is the answer for number 3 here. How do you do number 3? There it is. You substitute in this. This is in slope-intercept form. You're going to use that slope-intercept form. You're going to use what's there, put it in that problem. Okay, substitution works when there's slope-intercept form. Put it in there, like right here. You see that? And then you distribute, you solve, and then you use the easier problem. This bottom one's easier, so that's the one I'm using. Substitute in the answer 8 into where X is. And you solve for y, you get negative 6. So if you're unclear about this type of problem here, what you do is you take one of them, and you put it in to where this h is. That's no longer there. So you get 6g equals minus 4 equals to negative 2g plus 28. So you get rid of the negative 2g by adding 2g, add 2g here, and you get 8g minus 4 equals to 0 plus 28, which is 28. Add 4, that's my family there, add 4, 0, 8g equals to 32, divide by 8, divide by 8, and g then equals to 4. GH, so G comes first, it's GH and then I, you know, so G comes first, so that's 4. We need to find H. Well, this looks easier than this one because that one has a negative there. So I'm going to take the top one, and I'm going to take that and go, okay, H equals to 6G minus 4. Well, we know that G is 4 here, so where G is, you put 4 in. So that's 4 for G. So H equals to 6 times that 4 minus 4. So 24 minus 4, then H is equals to 20. So the two line, this is called one solution, and the solution is at 4 and 20. So the two lines intersect at 4 and 20. Okay? That's how you do that. Same thing here for number 5. You take this one and substitute in where this y is, so this y no longer exists. It's 2x plus 3 equals to 0.5x minus 3. Well, okay, let's get rid of the non-decimals. We don't want to deal with decimals. Let's get rid of the non-decimal. Add 3, add 3. I get 0 here, and 2x plus 6 equals to 0.5x plus 0 minus 0, 0.5x. Okay, I don't want the decimal. How do I get rid of that decimal? I multiply it all by 10. Okay, I multiply it all by 10. That's 20x plus 60 equals to 5x. Okay, now I can get rid of the x. Minus 20x minus 20x. 60 equals to 15x negative. Divide by negative 15. Divide by negative 15. X then is equal to negative 4. Okay, so x is negative 4. Go up here. X is negative 4. We need to find y. The top equation is the easiest to deal with. So I have y equals to 2x plus 3. Well, I found that x is 4. So in place of this x, I put 4 there. 2 times 4 plus 3. Y equals to 8 plus 3, which is y equals to 11. So one solution at 4 and 11. Okay, number 6, just in case you didn't get number 6. Okay, for this type of problem, we did a lot of these in class. So this one is the easy one. We leave it alone. We take that, this one right here. We substitute that 2 plus 2x equals to 4. We put this one in its place right there, x minus 2. Distribute 2x minus positive negative 4. After you distribute, the parentheses gone. 2x positive 4x plus a negative 4 equals to 4. Add 4, gets you 4x plus 0 is 4x equals to 8. Divide by 4, x is equal to 2. We need to find y. This one's much easier than the second one. Let's find y. Okay, for y equals to x minus 2. We'll substitute in 2 there. 2 minus 2y then equals to 0. So the graph will meet at 2, 0. Okay? And here's how to do number 7. And I left number 8 blank. So I can do this really fast. Okay. Suppose you have $28 in your bank account. So you already have $28 in your bank account. So that's 28. And started saving. And is plus started savings $18.25 a week, every week. So I'm going to use every is the same thing as each week. So times W. Your friend has this, so here's you. Your equation is 18.25 W plus 28 equals your total savings, Y. Okay, so W stands for the number of weeks. Y equals to total savings. Okay? Total savings. I can't quite fit for some reason. Alright. We define each variable. Your friend, here's the friend, has $161 in his account, and is plus $15 every week. 15 times W equals to Y. Okay. Substitute in. One of the Y's don't exist. Substitute this into that. So you got 161 plus 15W equals to 18.25 W plus 28. You subtract 28. $18.25 plus 28 is 18.25 W equals to 15W okay, and then you we don't like the decimal. Let's get rid of the decimal. I think we can get rid of the decimal. We can work with decimals. Still work with decimals. Minus 15W minus 15W. Okay. That gives you 3.25W equals to 133 divided by 3.25. Use a calculator. W equals, so how many weeks? Do I have a calculator component in here? No, you divide and find when will your balance be the same. Let's see how many weeks. You divide that and you get the number of weeks. And then you would say it will take blank weeks for the balance to be the same. And that's your answer, whatever you divide and get. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Oh my God.